Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an ki pulit jung ke is khas hills kila ban pynpra ka we ka kinhun nong tu ATM ka batre kam hagi babun ki jala kanthop ya ka Meghalaya. U Superintendent of Police SP ba Vivek Sim IPS sula pentip ya kene hakilat pathai khubor ha kasni thoding. Daga ba ong bagi pulit kila kem ya katu kat ningut ki dekhot ba kongsan jung ka kinhun hadin ka jung to okit ka babnia ba jing troilang. Kat kum ka jing thu jung ki pulit kani ka kinhun kala le bon sin ha ki jing tmu ban tu kisana ki ATM hapo ka district house nem baladam. Daga ba pendon kam ya ki rukam batbet bha ban odd bat play ki machine ATM ha ka por ka ba linkon. Ki he pulit ki ong bagani ka rukam odd ATM ka ba start kum ne kadang duna ban yo I ha Meghalaya minsha. Ka jinglap igani ka kam kalawan hadien baka kinhon bakar pang jung ka special cell East Khas Hills Police kabla lamkman da Deputy Superintendent of Police Operations Simseng Sangma MPS Kalalet Shek District no Haryana ha ka arfnyo turik rimpang arhajar arfnriu banwan ikisuba nong ne kam Haga jinkan rapat ba kabla long haga shpauturik ulber arhajar arpnriu ringkar ka jingerap jung Central Investigation Agency CIA jung district no ki pulit kila kemya armut kinong sha kinno bakongsan u Rahul Khan Laipuis nem karta na gishnong bazitpur bat usalim arpnriu snem na doraki mewat haharyana Loong ba Rahul Khan ude nong penyait ba kongsan ha ka jinglute pisa kombalai sanlak tingka na ka ATM jong ka SBI hamaungam ha urim phang arhajar arpnriu ki pulit ki ongru ba Rahul Khan ude nong le kambaman ubla judan bentah ki babun ki jing od ATM ha Assam Arunachal Pradesh ba Delhi udan ru ha ka thup ki breu balawat ha ki case ki bala register ha Dwarka ba Dabiri police station ha Delhi Kadbagi pulit Meghalaya ki dangra ikini ki subanong le akam ha ka transit remand laong ba kila persyang ban phet na ka jingeda ki pulit hajan kisnong Sikrawa ha ka district no ki pulit ki thu ba Rahul ula kudup kansan ne ka steering jong ka kali da ka jingtmu ban pen khalam ye ka kali bat phet na ka jingeda Hadian gani ka kinhon pat ba ka badan ko ba arpho hadu lai phongun kanthop ye ki kanthei kala ker saudong ye ka kinhon pulit Kenok bagani ka kinhun pat ba kala persang ban kini ya ki shabi kali bat wat ban shim ki tiar siat jong ki pulen ban pelat yo ba subanong le kam na ga benta ka jingya da ya ladi ki pulit kala siat suloi ban penprai ka kinhun pat ba ha gani ka jingjia utarif khan ubde na ka shnong sikrawa ulamin saw ha ka jan basit kuli bat la ra ya u sha PGIMS rotak ban yo jing sumar Kargum gajing ujor bala mudoi da u sub inspector jong Meghalaya police u arki dalang walang ka Pinangwan police station hanno kala register case pressure ya khat arngut kibriu kibla sha kinno bagila thombor ye ka kinhun pulen bar persang ban pelat iki subanong ne kam hadu menta ki pulit kila kem ko bakhandai ngut kibriu kibran jinge dei ba kani ka kinhun Nalor Rahul bat usalim lakem ru ya arngut kinong ya rap shnong na shilong ujan official lingkoi laipu arsnem na umpling bat ujoyes dura south newsnem na maulai nongkwar kini ki arngut kila sha ai jingeda pulit police remand hadu hinriusngi ha ka jinkhnra ka babut ki pulit kila kemru ya urijwal korim live frasnem na chakla hapo abhayapuri police station ha ka district Bongai Gaon, Assam, but Ulius Ali Arfrasnem, Nabora Gaon, Sujinagar, Hapo Gorchuk Police Station, Assam. But Ulius Ali Arfrasnem, na Boragaon, Sujinagar, Hapo Gorchuk Police Station, Assam. Ki pulit kliyathu bakila kurup ru yagi tiar sakhi ki bakongsan na gini ki basubanong ne kam. Ka jing to kit kalapin pau kani ka kinhun kadan benta halai teli ki jing luti ATM ha is khasil la kini ki banai badang shan ha ka arhuitri ku jimmang arhajar arpsan hamau kriya arphu prala khalai hajar shispa atingka la tu na ka ATM booth live hotrik no pra arhajar arpsan hasmit live sannak samnyo hajar tingka la tu na ko ikpat ka ATM pratrik urimpang arhajar arpnriu na malim ko ba live sannak Tingkala tu hadian kini ki jingjia la register case hamaunga ban madan riting police station hapo ki kendon bapher jong ka Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita BNS Ki he pulit ki ong ba ka jing to kit karang ya chakmat ban nap bat kem ye ki wei pat ki khot jong gani ka kin hun ki bala ban trei kam ha ki wei pat ki benta jong kri ki pulit ki lapan pawru ba ki la lap ye ki sakhi ki ba biang ki bala ban penya dei ki ni ki subanong le kam bar ki wei pat ki jing luti ATM ki pulit is khasils ki lapan tikna ba ki nang beteng ye ki jing khnra tat hadu ban pin pralut ye ki network jong ki nong le kam bamman ki badan benta ha ki ni ki kam tu ATM
ATM theft were registered in East Hassan district in the recent months. The first one occurred on 21st May 2025, where the ATM which was located at Meghalaya was robbed, and cash 28 lakhs 13,100 was stolen. Then subsequently on the 30th of December, another ATM at Smith was looted, and cash about 35 lakhs 57,000 was stolen. Then on the 8th of February, uh, the last ATM which was looted was at Milane, and about 35 lakhs was looted from there. The people were professionals. The time which they took for actually stealing from every ATM was roughly about 7 minutes. So highly professional people. We have actually never seen such professional looting of ATMs so far, and this is the first instance where we've seen people actually professionally looting it in such a short span of time. So following the registration, we have registered 3 cases in Maungap, Manhattan, and 2 cases in Maungap and 1 in Manhattan. And following the investigation by the special cell, on 27th February, a 7-member team led by DSP Operations Sinseng Sangma was deputed to Haryana Nuh district. And on the 9th of March, the 7-member team started to conduct operations there with the help of the Central Investigation Agency of Nuh district, Haryana, to arrest these people. As a result of these sustained efforts, 2 accused, and these people who are wanted and also involved in many such ATM cases in the country and also in particular in the northeast, namely one Sri Salim, 26 years, of Doraki, Mewat, Haryana, and Sri Rahul, 31 years, of Bazipur, Nuh, who were involved in the crime, and actually the main people who actually were involved in cutting down the ATMs were arrested. And following their arrest and all that, the local operations in Shillong also was conducted, where we arrested 2 people who are the local facilitators, namely John Fisher Linkhoi, 32 years, resident of Umpling, and Joyous Dora, 47 years, of Mount Moline and Kwar. Both arrested from Shillong after the operations in Haryana. And for John Fishel and Joyce Dura, we've got 6 days remand, and for Rahul and Salim, we've got a 5-day remand. Following this operation, yes, on the 12th, another team of the special cell headed by DSP Crime left for Assam, and One of the accused, his name is Rijal Karim, 38 years, was arrested from Chakla under Adhaipur PS in Bongao. And last night, another accused, Shri Lius Ali, 28 years, from Boragaon, was arrested under Gurchuk PS. So we found incriminating evidence against these people, and of course the investigation hasn't stopped. Investigation is still on. To actually arrest some of the culprits who are absconding. So the East Castle police is endeavoring that we get all the culprits as soon as possible. Thank you.
Can you tell us?
Actually, they are local facilitators. They actually have contacted They were contacted by the Assam counterparts, and the Assam counterparts by the people from Haryana. So they're the people who identify the ATMs out here. These two people actually have been involved in many other crimes, from drug trafficking to murder to many other forms of criminal activity and all that. So they have a history of crime, and they were the ones actually who recceived the place and identified the ATMs to be looted.
So far, how many has been arrested, sir?
So far, we've got 6 people.
Altogether, how many potential suspects, sir?
There are still more people. As and when we interrogate and all that, we will get to know more people and all that. Of course, we have some people in our mind and all that, and that special cell is yet to nab them. But as investigation, interrogation is in progress and all that, we'll get to know the exact number of people who are actually really involved.
So all of them. And you
It took a lot of hard work from the special cell, piecing all the evidence together, and a lot of people from DSP Ops, DSP City, additional SP Ops, the whole team and all that actually worked in different areas. And actually, when they piece the evidence together and all that, they could get the bigger picture, and from there, zero down on the culprits.
Sir,
Not in the know if it's related to anything.
Sir,
as such.
not to gypsy.
There was an attempt after one of the accused, this Rahul, was actually produced in court in Punhana, New district, and after being produced in court and all that, he was being brought back to New district, to New city, and at Sikrawa, they were accosted by about 30 people. One of the crowd even tried to snatch the weapon, and they had to fire blank shots and even on the ground, and a bullet ricocheted and hit one person. That person is recovering, and a case has been registered. About 12 people have been identified, so investigations are on in Haryana. No, kami ada buat katakan investigation day ni kami kadang-kadang take he buat kabak kadang-kadang ni apa tang kata benta jongka ATM hi benta di bahian demo kata kamdan kata terus investigation.
Abasim habay di.
Ni kong siap ni la subaya borok hi long kiba terpisah, because kami kalau tebet adu kata-kata hi bon bat sai pisah tang apot nyum net badru aku cukup pot bat tip du badan pisah entah ke ndai hadu mentah hi lap hi kata bakin de ki nong trade ka bank bakin identity ndai wala kata gindang docket shamat hi bat dan ti manun dan yang dan badan ti nak kalian identity nong trade ka bank ne kiba terpisah.
So, ni
kong ba kani hi kadi ha jingatri jong baro hi ki benta jong ka special cell hi kiba kadi bengi lapis pada nila bulang ki evidence but kasami king kata ka ni susutho menu badan kti ti bun ki benta jong ka special cell ti latre ha ni dan bun ki areas but hadi lapis ki evidence kani salap pada kalau kuno taka crime ki kuno maris tadi kalau kuno pecinya ki kuno bang piba kani ha ngalap tai piba kani dari ka nilayo bagkem kiru taka jingarap bangka Assam police bat Haryana police di Kepulauan Binta ban penyerap ni ban kem kini diberi syaitu ki jela bat kepang ka Central Investigation Agency jongka New District bat USP jongka New District Meghalaya yarap Shibun ni ban identify ban kem ni kini diberi kamli ka masuk ban kem akan kerjakan ni kani kerjakan ka New Tamtam bun kibli tip pangka mewa ikadi. It's a very criminal prone district, but haven't get back to the Suki but kept but Matai ka special cell like three or Kishtam but identify but enjoy they were planning to what happened is the accused tried to grab the wheels and tried to overturn the car and thereafter a crowd had come and assembled out there and tried to snatch him away. They also tried to snatch the weapon. The police out there were very restrained. They fired in the air, they fired in the ground. In fact, the bullet which hit the person also was a ricochet bullet. They did it because there was fear for their life, and I think it was very much justified. They act with restraint and responsibility.
But you would, if accused in the Sonam case, when there you could bring them back. What went wrong in this case? You could not bring properly.
Like I said, in fact, I just said that place is a very crime-prone place. The mob was violent. We didn't have in those other cases, interstate cases, we didn't have a violent mob who wanted to lynch or at the most we had an instance where a person got slapped. But here it's a violent mob which wanted to snatch weapons, wanted to lynch the police. So we had to take precautionary measures.
You used to know about the vehicle. Was it from Delhi, Meghalaya police vehicle?
Yes, it is of our Meghalaya police. It was taken from our battalion from Delhi.
How many rounds would it?
About 17 rounds.
Sir,
Gas cutting machines, 80 ton baki. Dia layo ang sarka kita. Ka trail of cash. Dia layo ang ni kita pelalot, lapelot. Kita pela siu kiram juki. Thì ngi nang pek nang ni squat ngi nang pek le si kila bo ki funds shakwe ki chaka la park those funds somewhere else